Hey, Joe Phillips here with Focus Real Estate Central Park Scoop. I'm here today with Carmel Maddox from Maddox Construction. And this is part of our I Got a Guy series where we bring some of our favorite contractors to you that we use that we think you might find useful. This one's an I Got a Gal series because Carmel owns the company and she could help you with some roofing needs. So this came up, I wanted to have Carmel out first because she did a great job replacing the roof on this home that we just sold this week. Great from start to finish, awesome communication, great price, handled and advocated for us with the insurance company, did all the right things. So this got me thinking about her. And then we wanted to talk to you about a hailstorm that happened just 2 years ago on May 30th, 2024. And we were bringing this up now because we're almost to that 2-year mark. Carmel, tell us why that's important for people that live in the Central Park area that might have had hail 2 years ago on their home.
Well, anyone that was affected by that hailstorm, they only have 24 months to call that claim in. And we pay for insurance every year. And so in order to really use that insurance, you have to call it in during that statute of limitations, which is 24 months.
Yeah, and from what I've read and from what we've talked about, some of them might even have a shorter time frame and like you might have needed to call it in within the first year or 18 months. But it might be 2 years on your policy. You'd need to look at your policy to know for sure. But I would think first step would be have Carmel out or, a trusted roofer if you already have somebody quickly before that May 30th.
Yep.
Let them take a look at it, right? What do you do when you go out and do one of these first initial appointments with people?
Well, we first make sure it's even worthy of a claim. Sometimes it's not. Just because it's been hit by hail, it doesn't always mean it needs to be replaced. But if it does need to be replaced, it needs to be replaced soon. Otherwise, it will start to leak. Sometimes it takes 2 to 5 years. And by that point, it's already past the time that it can be covered by insurance.
Yep, so it makes sense. Have her out, do the initial assessment, and then you could file a claim before that May 30th, just to make sure that helps you if that is in your policy. So Carmel, what do you do besides roofing? I mean, we're bringing this to people so they can get the roofing done, but what else do you do at Maddox Construction?
We do all exterior, so anything from windows, painting, doors, siding, roof and gutters is all the kind of work that we do.
Okay, and a lot of it's with insurance, but doesn't necessarily have to be.
Correct, yeah.
Okay, perfect. Well, I've found that insurance world very confusing. So get an advocate, get somebody that does it a lot,
Yes.
and they can help you through it. So
Absolutely.
I got a gal, Carmel with Maddox Construction. I almost said Carmel Construction. Maddox Construction. We'll put all of her info below if you want to give her a call. Thanks for your time.
Yeah, absolutely.
Appreciate
Thanks
it.
so much.